Welcome to Tricky Apps. HCF and LCM. Now I am going to explain the key points and examples from the chapter HCF and LCM. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Let us see the key points. First one, least common multiple, that is LCM. And second one, highest common factor, that is HCF. Least common multiple, LCM, of two or more given numbers is the least number to be exactly divisible by each of them. For example, we can obtain LCM of 12 and 24 as follows. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. And multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120 and so on. Here, the common multiples of 12 and 24 are 24, 48, 72 and so on. So, the least common multiple of 12 and 24 is 24. Let us see an example. Find the HCF of 10, 24 and 36. Let us see the solution. By resolving these numbers into their prime factors, we get the factors of 10 as 2 into 5, factors of 24 as 2 cube into 5 and factors of 36 as 2 square into 3 square. So, the common factors with the least powers is 2. So, the HCF of 10, 24 and 36 is 2. Let us see an example. Find the LCM of 1 by 3, 2 by 9, 5 by 6 and 4 by 27. Let us see the solution. We know that from the formula we just learned, LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. So the required LCM is LCM of 1, 2, 5 and 4 divided by HCF of 3, 9, 6 and 27. Factors of 1, 2, 5 and 4 are 2, 2 and 5. The LCM of 1, 2, 5 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. And the least factor of 3, 6, 9 and 27 is 3. So the highest common factor of 3, 6, 9 and 27 is 3. So the required LCM is 20 by 3. Now let us learn some techniques to solve the problems. Technique 1. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF of the numbers into LCM of the numbers. Let us see an example. The HCF of two numbers is 15 and their LCM is 225. If one of the numbers is 75, then find another number. Let us see the solution. According to the question, LCM is 225, HCF is 15, the first number is 75 and the second number is how much? And according to the formula, product of two numbers is HCF into LCM. So here, 75 into second number is equal to 15 into 225. So the second number is equal to 15 into 225 by 75. Solving this, we get 45. So here, the second number is 45. Technique 4. The least number, which when divided by x, y and z, leaves the same remainder k in each case, is given by LCM of x, y, z plus k. Let us see an example. Find the least number, which when divided by 12, 16 and 18, leaves 5 as remainder in each case. Let us see the solution. From the question, here x is 12, y is 16, z is 18 and k is 5. And according to the formula, the required number is LCM of 12, 16 and 18 plus 5. Let us now find the LCM of 12, 16 and 18. First, let us divide it by 2. We get 6, 8 and 9. Dividing these by 2 again, we get 3, 4 and 9. Dividing these by 3, we get 1, 4 and 3. So, the LCM of 12, 16 and 18 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 3, that is 144. So here, the required number is 144 plus 5, that is 149. So the required number is 149. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.